Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, I am going to do a very wonderful little haul here. And it is Bath and Body Works. Okay, so let's just get started. How are y'all doing? How's everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. Okay, so once a year about this time when spring hits, I get the candle fever. Don't ask me why, because, well, I do it in spring and I do it in fall. I get my absolute favorite candles in fall. Y'all know are Cider Lane, and then some that smell like Christmas trees. But in the spring, I experiment a little bit more. And today, I'm just going to get right into it. First of all, these are just adorable. They're little magnets, and they stick to the top of the lid, so they just look cute. But I would say be very careful of getting this near an open flame, because I would bet this little bunny is very flammable. So what is this one? This is Bath and Body Works. Now some of them are Bath and Body Works, some are White Barn, and some are Slatkin. So I'll tell you which is which as I go through them. But this is White Caramel Cold Brew, whatever that means. I just like this pattern, and I do like the smell. It smells like caramel. It smells like you're eating a piece of caramel. Caramel, however people say it. But it's White Caramel Cold Brew. I don't know what the cold brew is supposed to mean. It doesn't smell like a beer or anything. Let's just see what it says. Cold brew coffee. Oh, it's the coffee smell. Vanilla sweet cream and warm caramel drizzle. That is the fragrance notes. Let me smell it again. Does that smell good to y'all? It does smell mostly like caramel, which is good because my husband hates the smell of coffee. I love it. I think I love the smell of coffee more than I love coffee. Anyway, I thought this kind of Mediterranean tile look was very, very pretty, and I did like the scent. I had this from last year. I did not buy this, but I thought that would be really, really pretty in there. Except the only thing about these is then you can't see the pretty sides. So I did a solid color. I think we put the green Christmas candle in this, or the magenta colored one, but I forgot what those fragrances were. Anyway, so that's the first one. The second one is one of my all-time favorites, but I love this packaging, this kind of opalescent, metallic almost looking. What would you think this is? Y'all, it's Peach Bellini. Would you ever have thought? That is the best smelling peach candle ever. I think it's even better than the other one that says something like Peach Basket or something. I think Peach Bellini, because it smells very, very peach, but it also has kind of like an under scent. Let's see what it says. Succulent white peach, sparkling I can never say that, Prosecco, and sweet orange. That's why. It's got a little bit of a ding note to it, but the peach is what is so very strong, and I just love this. This will definitely be in the backdrop many, many, many times. That might look real pretty through there too. Let's see what it looks like. What does that look like? Is that pretty to see through it? I think it is. I think that's actually very pretty. So we'll just remember Peach Bellini's in there. Okay, what else did I get? Oh, this one is so pretty. So we went to Hawaii a couple of years ago, and I just fell in love with everything Hawaii. This is Waikiki Beach Coconut. And it smells just like coconut, but like a rich resort. Let's see what it says. Tropical white coconut, saltwater breezes, and sun-bleached woods. Saltwater breezes. How'd they put that in candle? It's really, really nice. And I love the picture of the mountain, because I just remember driving by and seeing that. And we drove that whole area, and we were just absolutely amazed at the mountains. So lush and green. This is on the darker side, not actually on Waikiki Beach side, I don't think. Nuh-uh. So that's ironic, because that's not Waikiki Beach. It sure isn't. That's the other side. That's the side where there are no buildings. Waikiki Beach is a very built up part of Honolulu. So, okay. So there's that one. Gotta get rid of all these pieces of paper. Now, I do not get rid of paper like this I either fold it up and use it in gift bags, or I scrunch it up and put it in handbags for stuffing. But don't ever just throw paper away that you could use to recycle or something like that. Oh, and then here's just something funky that I got. It's the cutest. It's just a little, what does it call itself? It doesn't call itself anything, but this is going to be a giveaway. It's for putting on foundation. It's a little mermaidish fish brush. Can y'all see that? I think it's so cute, but I'm not going to touch it. But that's going to be part of a giveaway. So is my Hope ring. So is I'm just collecting up stuff like I do. The War Chest Boutique from War International, which is Women at Risk, is what WAR stands for. This is the Speak Up bracelet. And it's Proverbs 31:8. And I love that. It's a $20 bracelet. All the proceeds go to help those ladies. Look how these little bunnies just stick. I wonder if he sticks sideways. Oh my gosh, he does. Is that the funniest? Hi. Hi, what you doing? Oh, we're just hanging around. Okay. Next. Oh, this is for the giveaway. It's for spring giveaway. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Just, it's a cosmetic pouch, but also it has all kinds of goodies inside. And when I do the giveaway, I'll go over it more. But it's the 1,000 Wishes. And I believe it's got a shower gel, body spray, and some other stuff in there, but it's the scent 1,000 Wishes. And this was another $20 item. So my giveaways are good, I have to say. I got this for my son's bathroom, and this is just Honolulu Sun with cocoa butter foaming soap, because that's kind of the colors in his bathroom. It's kind of copper and, you know, dude looking, so, you know. Oh, and this is just to sit candles on. And I loved it. I just thought it was so welcoming and so pretty. Love this. This was $30 though, so this is really expensive. But look at that pineapple. And that looked kind of Honolulu-y, so I'm thinking this one. The one that says Waikiki Beach. But all three of them would be pretty on here. Isn't that pretty, y'all? Hey, I just thought of something. How would that look? Ooh, that looks gorgeous. Look at that on top of that. You'd have to be very careful. Of course, this would be sitting still. Or you could take this out. It'd also be pretty. When you got such a pretty, ooh, that looks really pretty. Look at that. I'm doing it at different angles because the lights, I know, kind of blow it. Okay. All right, so now what else did I get? These are just a lot of littles, so I'm going to do them real quick. This is Vanilla Birch Room Spray. I put these in my guest bath and the powder room downstairs. This is a Waikiki Beach Coconut Body Spray. Just 1 minute! This is the beautiful body spray, and I am going to make that part of a giveaway. Look, I've got all kinds of little hand creams. One's Aloha Shea Butter. This one's Waikiki Shea Butter. Let's see what I'm going to use, what I'm going to keep when I get a giveaway. This is a Pocket Back antibacterial hand gel, and it's in Champagne Sparkle with this beautiful little blue sparkle keychain you can put it on. I did last year. I did one of those, and I ended up getting rid of it because it was heavier, and this one's not heavy. And I got some Mermaid BFFs, some Honolulu Sun, and some Never Stop Dreamin'. Some of these have the little beads in them, and some of them have glitter in them. And last but not least, oh, there's one more of those. And that is Hawaii Pink Hibiscus. Can't wait to use that one. These are all just hand sanitizers for the purse and hand creams for the purse. Little small sizes. This is Fiji White Sands. And some of these I will make part of the giveaway, and some of these I will be keeping. So that is it. That is the whole deal. Hand creams, candles, body sprays, hand sanitizer, a candle holder, and then of course this for the giveaway. Isn't that fun for spring summer? I love it. It's going to be a spring summer giveaway. It's going to be 2. Because I'm going to make it real big again. And we'll have followers up, runners up. I have no idea where we are in this video. I don't know if we're over 12 or not. we're not. That's so unusual. Okay, well, I've got to go because I've got some people here. So, but I just wanted to finish, and it's the cutest. Little buddies hanging on the side. Okay, I love y'all. That's my Bath and Body haul for the spring, summer time. And then some spring, summer giveaway items to just kind of wet your whistle. Is that a southern term? Wet your whistle? Pique your curiosity? Anyway, for the spring, summer giveaway. And I know you're going with whatever happened to the winter giveaway. I haven't had time to sit down and do the winners. But I will. Okay, my dog's going crazy. I love y'all. Talk to you again soon. Bye, 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 bye.